Hello everyone, so I'm back with another video of past year house examination questions. We already covered two questions from organizational behavior exams of 2023. So we are left with the last question of this paper that we're gonna discuss in the current video. So if you haven't watched the previous video, please do go and watch the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. So let's get started. Earlier, we discussed these two questions, the evolution of organizational behavior as a field of study in commerce and management, and we write a note on these four topics. So now we have to discuss for the third question, that is, discuss the role of learning theories in shaping employees' behavior in present technology-induced environment. Here we're gonna see 5 learning theories that are in our syllabus. And so let's start with the introduction first. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, organizations are constantly facing the need to adapt and upskill their workforce. Learning theories provide a structured approach to understanding how employees acquire, modify, and apply knowledge and skills. These theories are essential in shaping employee behavior, promoting continuous learning, and improving performance in environment where technological advancement are frequent. So now we're gonna see 5 main learning theories and we're gonna discuss each one by one. So the 5 theories are behaviorist learning theory, cognitive learning theory, social learning theory, constructivist learning theory, and transformational learning theory. Let's dig in. So the first is behaviorist learning theory developed by B.F. Snicker and John Watson. This theory basically focused on behaviors that can be shaped through reinforcement and punishment. This theory is relevant in a technology driven environment. Now, how we can apply this theory? So, in the current technological landscape, organizations use digital platform to reinforce desired behavior through rewards, badges, and certification, which serve as a positive reinforce. For example, gamified training modules use points and leaderboards to encourage employees to complete e-learning courses. Now, the impact of behaviorist learning theory can be this approach can effectively shape employee behavior by promoting the repetition of desired action through structured system of reinforcement. Now, the next is cognitive learning theory proposed by Jean Piaget. Emphasizes internal processes like thinking, problem solving, and understanding. In a technology induced environment, employees are often required to process complex information and apply it to novel situations, making cognitive learning crucial. So, how we can apply is modern technology based training programs utilize stimulation, interactive learning environment, and artificial intelligence AI powered adaptive learning systems that present scenarios requiring employees to solve problem and make decisions. The impact of cognitive learning tools helps employees develop critical thinking skills and the ability to adopt new software systems procedures. So this enhances their ability to apply knowledge in dynamic work and settings. Now the third is social learning theory by Albert Bandura. So this possessed that learning occurs through observation, imitation, and modeling. In a technology-driven environment, this theory is particularly applicable due to rise of social platform, collaborative tools, and digital communication channels. So how we can apply is organization use virtual mentoring, video tutorials, webinars, and online communities for practice, forums, professional networks to facilitate social learning. So employees can observe peers demonstrating new technologies or skills and replicate these behavior in their work. So the impact is social learning foster collaborative learning and knowledge sharing, which is essential in an environment where technology advancement often require cross-functional teams to work together to implement new systems or processes. The fourth one is constructivist learning theory, advanced by Lev Vygotsky and Jermo Berner. Please don't mind the pronunciation. So they suggest that learner construct knowledge through experience and active engagement. This theory aligns well with the experiential learning approaches in technology-induced environment. So, offers a platform like virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR for immersive learning experience, allowing employees to interact with virtual environment and practice skills in a controlled setting. For example, virtual stimulation can be used to train employees on complex machinery or customer service scenarios. The impact can be by engaging employees in hands-on learning experience. Constructivist approaches help them build deeper understanding and improve retention, enhancing their capabilities to perform a real-world situation. The last theory, learning theory, is transformational learning theory by Jack Mazrido. They suggest that learning can lead to a shift in perspective, encouraging individuals to critically reflect on their beliefs and assumptions. This theory is increasingly relevant in environments where technology is reshaping work roles and organizational structure. So, the organization employ technology-based coaching, reflective e-journals, and collaborative platforms that encourage employees to question old ways of working and embrace new technology-driven methods. The impact is this help employees overcome resistance to change, embrace digital transformation, and develop innovative mindset which are essential for thriving a technology intensive environments. So these were the 5 learning theories: behaviorist, cognitive, social, constructivist, transformational. Now, the challenges and opportunities in technology induced environment. So, challenges can be like it's overload, learning can be fatigue, and there are some employees or old employees which who resist to change. And opportunities can be it's a kind of personalized learning and enhance the engagement. So, this was all about this question. So, we're gonna solve one more question paper of OB. So, this is all for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.